So, good morning, students. So, in this lecture also, we would continue to discuss Dryden's famous poem, Alexander Feast, uh, whose subtitle is The Power of Music. Uh, that music has great power. It can fill your heart with all kind of emotions, with different emotions. Uh, it depends upon the tune of the music, what kind of tune is played, and according to that, our temperament, our mind is built up. So, in the first two stanzas, we have seen that Alexander was born with a divinely interference of Jove, and he has some kind of relationship with Olympia, and out of that, it is considered that Alexander was born. Now, in the third stanza, the poet Dryden introduced another god, and that is Bacchus, the god of wine. The musician began a new tune in praise of Bacchus, Bachus, Bacchus, the god of wine. The followers of the god always feel themselves fair and young. You know that who enjoys, who drinks, thinks himself always happy. Fair and young. The god is welcomed on the occasion of victory. The wine is generally served on the occasion of the ceremonies, on the victory ceremony or on the wedding ceremony. And this. But today there is a different kind of scenario that people, without any ceremony, they enjoy, they drink a lot of things. The soldiers enjoy blessing of God. They consider it that the wine is the blessing of God. It is regarded that after hard work, some entertainment is necessary. Usually, look at the use of wine. It was considered a kind of entertainment for the soldiers who have passed through a very rough time, who has faced a very difficult time, who has gone through a very difficult time, and when they come victorious, they are served with wine so that they can enjoy, they can feel relaxed. So you can say that it is the effect of wine is quite soothing, is quite comfortable. The pleasure, it is soothing the pleasure which one gets after pain. Therefore, Bacon blessings are a treasure for soldiers. So that's why that. There is also a word. Now give the hautboy's breath. He comes, he comes. Hautboy is also a wind instrument which is used to enjoy, to sing a song. And bakers, ever young and young, ever fair and young, drinking joy did first ordain. Drinking is the soldier's pleasure. Rich the treasure, sweet the pleasure, sweet is pleasure after pain. It looks quite soothing when you get a victory after some pain. In other words, you can say that the success which you get after rigorous hard work or a struggle, that is the best success. That is the best moment to enjoy when you get success after doing the hard work. That's the thing that's why that soldiers enjoy, soldiers love wine because it is served after the victory, after the hard work. So, in this way, the poem continues, and I hope that the poem is also has some kind of flow of emotions, as it is charged, it is blamed against Dryden that his poetry is reasonable and logical, and there is no emotions. But here, in this poems, it is exceptional. Now, again, you see that the king became overwhelmed with the victory. When it was a victory ceremony, where so many companions and courtiers were sitting in the court in the ceremony, and the king became overwhelmed. He thinks himself very proud. There was a feeling of pride in his eyes. He thought that it was a step in the direction of the conquering the whole world. The king thinks that it is a great step in the direction of conquering the whole world. The clever musician observed the expression of king's face. Timotheus was a crafted musician, was a perfect craftsman. He started a mournful tune in the praise of Darius. Now, who was Darius? The defeated king of Persia. The king was brutally killed in the battlefield. He was deserted by his peers. Peers, P-E-E-R, peers means companions. There was no one to close his eyes after death. It is also said that he was killed by his own followers when they see that they are defeated. The description of the defeated king filled with remorse Alexander's heart. And his heart melted and tears began to flow from his eyes. Now look at this conversion of heart. When the musicians started singing in praise of Darius, who was lying there in the battlefield, and no one was there to attend his dead body or to do the final rites. And he says that Alexander's heart melted and tears began to flow his eyes. In this way, music changes the feeling of the great ruler. So this is the power of music, that it can generate many kinds of emotions in you. It can also, because the music is also played when the army goes on the front, when they go to fight a battle. So in that context, the marriage is used to motivate the soldiers to sacrifice their life for the cause of the nation. The music flares up the temperament, the mood of the soldiers and the nation itself, that it is a difficult time, and they stood with them, so that they don't feel lonely. So that is the thing. But here, when the Timotheus sings in praise of Darius, and he started a mournful tune, so even the king's heart was melted. He realized that the war is no good. Now he says that he chose a mournful side by two fallen from his state. Now there is and the beer begins to rise. I hope that the music has the power to change your feelings and make you to do good things in life. I hope that you are enjoying Dryden poems. Although it is a long poem, we would continue to discuss in another lecture also, so that we could analyze the poems, all the stanzas, and concentrated all the parts of the poem. But here in this context, I want to say that you should concentrate. You should try to read aloud the lines, the text of the poems, so that you become aware of the beauty of the poem and the emotions which it has generated through the words in our heart. I hope that you would do that and continue to listen the online video program, and I think that you are quite benefited by it. Thank you.